We will see the ingredients required for making this exfoliating cleanser. These are the phase C ingredients, next phase B ingredients, and next is the phase C ingredients. Let me first mix the gum and glycerin. We will mix the gum and glycerin. We'll set it aside. Now goes the oil phase. Now to the water phase. This is the cocoa betain. And the gum. Okay, both of these go on a double boiler until everything is melted for 15 to 20 minutes. I'll be back once these are melted. Pour it into this. Now goes the fragrance oil, vitamin A and preservative. Now we'll add the pumice powder. We will be putting in we'll add a little bit of mica and jojoba beads. We will now put it into a bottle. It is my mistake that I have put in this type of a container. The exfoliating particles blocks the path, so it takes time to come out. It is quite frustrating. Instead, we can use something like this, or a bottle or a total bottle. It is light but exfoliating. This is how it looks.